Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into some common questions and answers in English to help you ace everyday conversations. You repeat after me, each question and answer. Let's jump right in.
1. What's for breakfast?
We have cereal, toast, and fruit.
2. Did you remember to feed the pets?
Yes, I already fed them this morning.
3. Have you seen my keys?
Check on the kitchen counter. You often leave them there.
4. What time is your meeting today?
It's at 10 o'clock a.m. I need to leave in 20 minutes.
5. Did you pay the electricity bill?
Yes, I paid it online yesterday.
6. Can you help me with this crossword puzzle?
Sure, let me take a look.
7. Did you remember to take out the trash?
Yes, it's already by the curb for pickup.
8. What movie should we watch tonight?
How about that new comedy we have been wanting to see?
9. Did you call the plumber about the leaky faucet?
Yes, they're coming tomorrow morning to fix it.
10. Is it going to rain today?
According to the forecast, there is a chance of showers later.
11. What's the plan for dinner tonight?
I was thinking of making pasta, but we can order pizza if you prefer.
12. Have you seen my phone charger?
I think is on the bedside table next to your bed.
13. Did you remember to water the plants?
Yes, I watered them this morning before leaving for work.
14. Can you help me fold the laundry?
Sure, I'll be there in a minute.
15. What time is your flight tomorrow?
It's at 8 o'clock a.m., so I need to leave for the airport by 6 o'clock.
16. Do we need to buy more milk?
Yes, we are running low. I'll add it to the shopping list.
17. Where did you put the remote control?
I left it on the coffee table in the living room.
18. Did you remember to set the alarm for tomorrow morning?
Yes, it's set for 7 o'clock a.m. sharp.
19. Are you going to the gym today?
No, I'm taking a rest day. I'll go tomorrow instead.
20. Did you call your parents to wish them a happy anniversary?
Yes, I called them earlier today.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.